Welcome to this brief overview of the Transmittal Management solution from Team IM. Team offers a suite of tools designed to help construction companies manage the challenges of sharing and controlling information related to projects. Our Transmittal Management solution is designed to help organizations that need to evolve beyond unreliable and uncontrolled email-based processes, yet want to avoid the costly and rigid construction management solutions that dominate the market today. Transmittal Management from Team delivers a refreshing, cost-effective, and flexible solution that meets these needs. Transmittal Management leverages the mConnect user portal and mFiles content management platform to deliver a comprehensive solution for controlled communications and document sharing with partners, subcontractors, and vendors. The Transmittal solution supports any type of communication and document sharing that needs to be controlled within a defined business process. Across various industries, these types of controlled communications may be called jobs, project phases, tasks, etc. Regardless of what they're called, the communications are grouped and tracked from a point of creation through sending and receiving responses. The process includes the ability to upload response documents, videos, and other assets, and finally the communications reach a point where they are reviewed and closed. All communications and documents are carefully controlled and secured throughout the entire transmittal process. Actions taken during the process are logged, while notifications and reminders of critical dates are sent via email to all participating parties. These features and many others in the Transmittal Management solution have been designed from the ground up to deliver a streamlined yet comprehensive approach to managing communications and document sharing between organizations. Now let's take a look at the Transmittal Management solution in action. We'll play multiple roles as we explore the solution, but we'll start today as Sally, who is a subcontractor. Sally has just received an email notifying her that her company has received a transmittal from our organization. This email notification and all others in the solution can be formatted to contain company logos and wording. When she clicks on a link in the email, she is taken to the mConnect Construction Management portal. The Construction Management portal prompts Sally to log in. Then she's taken directly to the transmittal where she can see more information about it, as well as information about the associated project. The amount of information she sees is configurable and determined by settings within the system. She can easily download the documents to her computer or preview them directly within the portal. She can accept or decline the transmittal based on information in these documents. When declining a transmittal, the system can be configured to prompt for a reason as to why they have declined and invoke workflow steps within the organization to respond as needed. Accepting the transmittal enables communications between Sally and the company and provides the ability for Sally to begin uploading documents that may pertain to this transmittal. Any number and type of document can be uploaded as part of the transmittal. She can also remove uploaded documents or update them over time as she finalizes the information on the transmittal. Once her organization has everything prepared and uploaded to the transmittal, she can mark it complete. Now let's leave this transmittal and look at another one that's already in progress. Sally can see that she has some new communications to review, and these new communications include some attached documents. Sally is made aware of the new communications via email messages similar to the one we saw earlier. The Transmittal solution sends email notification messages for new communications, document changes, confirmation of actions, and critical dates. However, all communications and documents are stored securely within the transmittal and visible in the portal based on permissions. Let's switch roles now and see how the Transmittal Management solution appears to people inside the organization. Our employees interact with the Transmittal Management solution using the mFiles interface of their choice. They can use the web, mobile, and desktop application to manage transmittals. The information is represented using standard mFiles views as we can see here within the web user interface. Switching to the mFiles desktop user interface, we see the same information. This view shows us exactly what's going on with our transmittals. Notice that we have several transmittal packages underway at the same time, some with multiple transmittals sent to various subcontractors. This transmittal for Sally's company is currently marked as new. Now if we switch roles and go back to Sally for a moment, she sees the same transmittal and it says new on her screen too. Once she views the transmittal, it's no longer new. Switching back to the role of an employee, we see that the transmittal says it's under initial review. The Transmittal Management solution provides this type of real-time tracking throughout the process, so we are always fully informed as to the status of each transmittal in the system. To understand the full transmittal process, let's step through it quickly. When we want to send controlled communications to our subcontractors, vendors, or partners, We create a transmittal package to store information such as critical dates and provide references to projects, subcontractors, and contacts. We can also choose any number of documents from our project to add to the transmittal package. These are documents that will be shared with our subcontractors in the mConnect portal. We can also add standard documents such as policies and procedures which are not project specific. Finally, we can specify a template to use as the transmittal cover sheet. This template is used to generate a customized cover sheet for each company and contains any information we want from the transmittal package, such as the due date and a full list of transmittal documents. Once our information is complete, we create the transmittal package. With the transmittal package created, we can review it, add or remove documents, update the list of subcontractors and contacts, and update any other information. When it's all set, we can create the transmittals by changing the workflow state. Creating transmittals makes a frozen-in-time copy of all the documents on the transmittal package to ensure that all of our partners see the exact same version of the document when they're preparing their responses. Any changes to those documents are handled through the transmittal change process. For transmittals that have been sent, the due date is used to ensure that the information transmitted has been acknowledged and, when appropriate, responses including uploaded documents get completed in a timely manner. As the due date approaches, a reminder is sent so any remaining information can be completed, and then on the due date, final notifications are sent before all transmittals for the package are automatically closed at the time specified on the transmittal package. The documents that were uploaded to the transmittal are automatically published to the project, where they will become visible to the rest of the project team. With the transmittal package complete, we can see how the solution delivers a comprehensive approach for managing communications that is significantly more controlled and accountable than email-based processes, while still being more flexible and cost-effective than third-party construction management applications. For more information about transmittal management and the construction management solutions offered by Team IM, please visit www.teamim.com.